Good evening. It's about 11 o'clock on Friday, October 15th. So I am just a few days shy of the 1-year anniversary of working at the renovation here on Irish Street. Tonight I finished all of the outlet receptacle rough-ins in the living room. Let me give you a quick preview of that. You can see we've got a few branch circuits starting to pile up. They come from the load center in the bedroom back there and branch out this way. This one was a little bit trickier because I had to route things through this old door header in between, and I had to run it diagonally through. You'll see why. Here it's pretty easy. This is where the outlet circuit starts, but I couldn't drop it from above because of, 2 feet of wood. So it starts there and returns out. From there, it's pretty simple. We just hop from outlet to outlet. You can see comes into this second receptacle, pops up into the ceiling again before popping down to our first one by the window. That's outlet number 3. Same thing over here, outlet number 4, outlet number 5, outlet number 6. Pops up, comes into the roughed in fireplace area. I want a good outlet up there. I don't know. Wondering if I should upgrade that to a 4 outlet kind of situation. I might actually do that. This box here is going to be for audio video stuff, as well as Ethernet. Continues on, outlet, outlet, and one last outlet. Cool. Well, that's all I'm going to do tonight. I will definitely see you tomorrow for a lot more branch circuits, mainly the rest of the outlets upstairs. Good afternoon, Saturday, October 16th. I'm going to be running a bunch more branch circuits today, starting with the outlets in the dining room. Installing these extra braces, what they will do is make sure But these 2x4s that I've installed just to hold the drywall are super secured.
Are you excited to see the guinea pig? I'm really curious about what it's named.
Oh, is this yours? Oh, it's not yours? Oh, I got it wrong. Oh. Do you like them? What did you find? Ooh. Maybe that'll fit in your new shoes. It's like the Pepsi bulb. Did you find more shoes? Wow.